Your voice haunts me soft and low, in the silence where secrets grow. Every chord a pulse of pain, every note a drop of rain, drenched in echoes of your touch. It's your absence I miss so much. Every chord a pulse of pain, every note a drop of rain, drenched in echoes of your touch. It's your absence I miss so much. Heartstrings of the soul, they play a melody that won't decay. Even when the nights are cold, your song to me I still hold. The whispered